Welcome to ScoreAide. This is ATI TEAS Math. The last video we talked about converting fractions to decimals. In today's video, we are going to be talking about how to convert decimals to percentages using the exact method on the ATI TEAS exam. There is just one simple rule. To convert decimals to percentages, we move the decimal point 2 places to the right. So example, if we want to convert 0.33 to a percentage, so this is going to be 0.33 times 100%. All right, so which is equal to 33%. So what did we do? We move the decimal point 2 places to the right. So we move 1, 2. That is 2 places to the right, right? So you see now that the decimal point is here. Since we are having a whole number 33, there is no need to put in a point after 33. All right. Now, what about this other example, 0.85? 0.85 to a percentage is just what? It's just 0.85 times 100%, which is equal to, like we said, we'll move the decimal point 1 time, 2 time to the right. So we arrive here at what? 85. So the answer here is going to be 85. And what about, let's do some practice. You can pause here and try to convert 0.2 to a percentage. All right. Try to convert that. Right. So to convert 0.2 to a percentage, I know that you guys will have it all correct. You can post in the comment section if you had it correct. But it's just going to be what? It's just going to be 0.2 times 100%, which is equal to what? So again, we move the decimal point 1, 2. So it's going to give us 20%, right? So that will be 20%. It's going to give us 20%. And again, if we want to convert 0.07 to a percentage, what is it going to be? Pause and give me the answer. I know that you guys had it correct. Let me know in the comment section again. So it's just going to be, we will move the decimal point 1, 2. That is 2 times to the right. So you see that we can just say the answer is 7%, right? The answer is 7%, right? Because then if you want to convert these back to a decimal, it's just going to be 7, all this divided by 100, right? Which is equal to, because a percentage of a number is that number divided by 100, right? So when you say 7% is just 7 over 100. So we have what? We have, so then dividing by 100, we will now move the decimal point 2 times backward. So it will just give us, let me show you what it is. So the decimal point will be here. We'll move 1, 2. So it's going to be 0.07. So this is going to give us 0.07. Again, we go back to what? We go back to this. So you see that you can convert from decimals to percentage and from percentage to a decimal at the same time. And, the result never changes. It's the same expression of the same number. Expressing a number using decimals and percentages, which still mean the same thing, right? The digit doesn't change. It's just different expressions of a number. All right. Now we have we have this other example, which is 0.675 to a percentage. So what would be the answer here? And also we have 1.09 to a percentage. What would be the answer? So let me know what the answer is in the comment section, right? And again, the common mistake people make is what? Trying to convert, when they want to convert decimals to a percentage, the thing that they are moving the decimal point 2 times, 2 places to the left, instead of moving it 2 places to the right. For example, 0.09 to a percentage. Some people will instantly move this and say what? 0.0009, which is wrong, right? So these people are smart. ATI TEAS is smart. They are gonna give you A. They are gonna give you A 9%, B 0.0009%. They are gonna say C maybe 0.0, maybe 0.9%, and maybe D they're gonna say 90%. So what is gonna be the answer? It's easy. To convert 0.09 to a percentage, this is gonna give us, like we said, just move the decimal 2 places to the right. So which is just gonna be what? 0. Oh, excuse me. I almost missed that. Which is just gonna be 9%, right? Or you can just say 0.09 times 100%, which is equal to 9%. That is it. Perfect.